Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update WizTree on your Windows computer step by step. Keeping WizTree updated ensures you have the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your computer. Once the application launches, check the Help or About menu to see if your version includes a check for Updates option. If it does, click it and wait while WizTree looks for the latest available version. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Depending on the update, WizTree may need to close and restart before the installation is complete. If your version doesn't include a built-in update feature, open your web browser and visit the official WizTree website. Download the latest installer for your version of Windows. Running the newest installer usually updates your existing installation without requiring you to remove the current version first. After the installation finishes, launch WizTree again and confirm that the update was successful. You can check the version number in the About section to make sure you're running the latest release. Finally, perform a quick scan of one of your drives to verify that everything is working correctly after the update. Keeping WizTree up to date helps you benefit from improved performance, better stability, and the newest features. And that's it. You now know how to update WizTree quickly and safely on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.